Welcome to the Hamsi Analytics Daily Market Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Monday, March 12, 2012. Today the markets, the S&P 500 futures saw a high of the day of 1367 and a low of the day of 1360.25. We closed at 1366.5. Today's volume was 1.9 million contracts, a little higher than the 20-day moving average. For the Nasdaq futures, we saw a high of the day of 2646.5 and a low of the day of 2630.75. We closed at 2646. The total volume was 250,000 contracts, which is a little higher than the 20-day moving average. For the market internals, the New York Stock Exchange advanced decline differential closed at negative 377. The Nasdaq advanced decline differential closed at negative 305. There were 38 new 52-week highs for the S&P 500 and none 52-week lows for the S&P 500. As for the volatility, the VIX closed at 1564, which is the lowest reading we've seen since July of last year. For the total premiums paid today was 33,000, which is not that big. And for the front month, there was 42% of the total premiums paid, and it closed around 2.54, which is bullish. For April, it closed around 0.67 with a 33% of the total premiums paid, which is a neutral reading. And after that, May closed at 0.35 with 17% of the total premiums paid, which is bearish. Okay, this is the daily chart for the ES. I'm gonna start here. It was practically a non-event today. Nothing came out, no news. We only moved the handle lower, so not much happened throughout the day. Now we're gonna look at it intraday chart. As you can see here, this is a 5-minute chart for the ES. We opened around here. After that, we just kept on going in and out, up and down. We were down on like 5 handles at some point, but then we came back again. Not much movement today. It was basically very flat. Okay, the ES in terms of moving averages, nothing really big happened today. As you can see, this is a 5-minute chart. We opened around here. We went up as we opened, then came back down, test the overnight lows, make some new couple of lows. Didn't gain momentum to the downside. Then we went up again and basically ended flat for the day. So it was nothing big here. For the gold futures, not much happened. We were lower like 0.5% today, but we didn't break any important moving averages today. So we're still in the danger zone here. Go anywhere. So we're still keeping an eye on these moving averages, but today was nothing big to watch. Here we have the daily chart for crude oil. As you could see, we were down almost 1% today. Nothing big. We almost came as lower as to the support that we were looking at. So we're gonna keep an eye on that 104.32 level, 105. That's an important level to watch. But again, it was nothing important tested here or broken here. Here we have the VIX chart. This is a daily chart. As you could see, today we closed at 1568. This is the lowest reading we've had since July, since the big sell-off. So that it's important to see that we're making even new lows for the VIX. Just to keep in mind, the volatility is very low right now.